Welcome to paradise in the heart of the Florida Keys, a home where the ocean is your backyard, the beach is just steps away, and every day feels like a vacation. Nestled on prestigious Sombrero Isle, 126 Calle Ensueno is perfectly positioned for world-class fishing with easy ocean access and no bridges. A short walk from your doorstep leads to Sombrero Beach, a serene slice of paradise.
So it's January in the Florida Keys and I'm here at Sombrero Beach in Marathon, Florida. Marathon's a 10-mile long island and this beach is a little hidden gem. And I wanted to showcase it today because we're gonna go to 126 Calle Ensueno, one of the most beautiful fishing properties you could ever imagine here in Marathon, Florida. Right around the corner from this beautiful home that we're gonna see very shortly is this beach, Sombrero Beach. White sandy beaches, turquoise waters, check it out.
You can either drive to this Caribbean destination in the heart of the Florida Keys via the scenic overseas highway, or fly directly into Marathon, just a few miles away from this incredible property.
So here it is, January in the middle of winter, and this is what the Keys looks like. Fishing, swimming, snorkeling, all those activities and more you can enjoy here at Sombrero Beach.
Step out of Sombrero Beach, drive onto the serene private enclave of Sombrero Isle, and in moments you'll arrive at your private fishing paradise. While the inside of this newly renovated and gorgeous home features 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, today we're diving straight into the backyard, your ultimate fishing paradise, just moments from the wide open Atlantic Ocean. But don't miss part 2, where we dive into the interior of this stunning property and explore all its luxurious details. Click subscribe now and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss a single video to come.
Welcome to 126 Calle Ensueno, a fisherman's paradise. We jumped right into the backyard to showcase this 60-foot concrete boat basin, along with our 2 boat lifts, a 28,000-pound boat lift and a 10,000-pound jet ski lift. Incredible dockage we have here on this property. I'm going to show you around. So here in the Keys, one of the most valuable assets is boating and boating dockage. This area right here is perfect because you've got a boat basin, a boat lift, and a jet ski lift, along with 500 feet of water frontage, which can be developed even further.
This extraordinary estate spans 1.5 acres with over 500 feet of water frontage, offering swift and easy access to the open Atlantic Ocean. Boating enthusiasts will appreciate the unparalleled amenities. In the Florida Keys, properties with this level of dockage and ocean access are truly coveted. Check out this incredible mahi catch, proudly displayed by Keys Yacht Management. Just one example of the world-class fishing adventures waiting for you right in your backyard. And now to check out the resort-style saltwater pool and private tennis court, perfect for unwinding or staying active after a day on the water.
In addition to all the incredible waterfront access, you've also got this awesome tennis court. So tennis and pickleball is all the rage, and here at 126 Calle Ensueno, you can enjoy playing with your family and even in the evening because this court is fully illuminated at night. Here we are on the waterline of Calle Ensueno. Again, I said there's 500 feet of water frontage here, which is just an incredible feature to this property.
And now this private oasis for relaxation and fun.
Here we are at the elevated saltwater pool, spacious area for your guests to hang out and relax and enjoy and cool off on a warm, sunny day.
As we wrap up, take a look at the boat basin, designed to accommodate a variety of boats, including this impressive 40-foot catamaran sailboat, all within a 29-foot wide basin for easy maneuvering. With over 500 feet of water frontage and direct access to the Atlantic, this property offers the ultimate boating experience. Plus, the vacant lot is buildable, providing an incredible opportunity to expand the estate, develop additional structures, or even add more dockage to suit your needs. Whether you're fishing, sailing, or simply soaking in the views, 126 Calle Ensueno is a private paradise like no other. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of the coveted Florida Keys lifestyle. For more information, give me a call.